Hi, this is Praveen from SP Ecofuel. Our product is on waste management and creating renewable energy from waste. In canteens and hotels, vegetables are peeled and chopped, and the leftovers are treated as waste. In the same way, the leftover food is also treated as waste. But if it is collected in an organized way, we can generate gas from the waste around us. SP Ecofuel gives various flexible biogas plants which work with the food waste which we accumulate in our daily basis. The waste can be either from leftover food at hotels or from peeled and rotten vegetables or any organic waste. We provide various plants ranging from 2 cubic meter to 85 cubic meters in size depending on the accumulated waste from your sources. This plant consists of innovative biogas digester. Depending on sizes of the plant, it can produce starting from 2 gas cylinders equivalent to 65 gas cylinders equivalent per month. Our model of 5 cubic meter plant produces 2.5 kilograms of gas per day, say approximately 75 kgs of biogas, which is equivalent to 4 cylinders of LPG gas. Our model of 13.5 cubic meter plant produces 6.5 kgs of gas per day, approximately 195 kgs per month, or equivalent to 10 cylinders of LPG gas. This biogas can be directly used for cooking in kitchens with special biogas stoves. The residue left from the biogas can be used in gardens or farms, as the liquid slurry is equivalent to organic manure, which is odorless and highly effective in improving the yield of crop.